Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to put apps in split screen on Lenovo Legion. To do it, you need to open at least 2 apps, up to 4. So I'm going to open 2, like that. And then you can put one of the apps on, there are multiple ways of putting it on split screen. The fastest way is just taking the window and sliding it all the way to the side, then selecting the one that will be on the other side. By the way, you can resize it here. You can also instead hover over the maximize button, then select where to put the window. You can see there are also different modes like that one and that one, or like this one, this, and whatever. And here you can still, I believe, resize it, yes. Then if you want, you can also take that window and put it all the way up, then select where to put it. And you can also put up to 4 apps, so let's open maybe now the Microsoft Edge and maybe the settings. And now I can put the settings in the bottom right corner. Then here I'll put the Microsoft Edge File Explorer, and that other File Explorer has disappeared. So let me put it in the top right. Okay, maybe now it'll work. Yes, and they are all set. So here you can also resize it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.